Come on, guys, dance. My name is Wolfie, and I'm a rock star. I said my name is Wolfie, and I'm a rock star. Oh, singing, dancing, jumping to the moon and all the stars. Well, I have big teeth, big eyes, lots of hair, and I have big feet, just so you are aware. I can sing and dance and jump, but I don't know how to scare. I like to eat shortbread for breakfast and lunch. And when I have dinner, on chicken I munch. Me, Frankie, and Morticia are a crazy bunch.